Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add a widget on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, long press on an empty space on the lock screen or home screen on your iPhone. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the widget you want to add. I am choosing this watch. You can customize it. You can choose anyone that you like. Drag it and place it where you want to add. You can add it to your homepage, app page, anywhere you want. Tap on Done to save the changes. That's all it takes to add widgets on iPhone. Did this video help you? Now, if you want to delete this widget on it, it will give you an option of delete widget. Simply tap on it. Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.